Join me as I brief an AI and challenge it to come up with viral video ideas that could totally skyrocket my channel. We're living in a crazy content-driven world where standing out is getting harder by the day. The million-dollar question is, how do you keep coming up with fresh, engaging video ideas that resonate with your audience and make your channel pop? Coming up with viral video ideas is tough. I've been there too. You stare at a blank page, waiting for that magic spark to hit, but sometimes it just doesn't come. Your audience's interests are constantly shifting, and what worked yesterday might not work today. The struggle is real, and it can be super frustrating when you feel like you're running out of steam. There are some amazing AI tools out there that can help generate creative video concepts. For instance, some tools use natural language processing to analyze trending topics and suggest ideas based on what's currently popular. Others use machine learning algorithms to look at your past content and audience engagement, providing ideas that are more likely to resonate with your viewers. I've experimented with a few of these tools, and the results are honestly mind-blowing. These AI tools can analyze huge amounts of data in seconds, spotting patterns and trends that we might miss. They can also think outside the box, suggesting ideas that are innovative and sometimes even a little crazy in a good way. The best part is, they can save you tons of time and help you stay consistent with your content schedule. I've seen creators use these tools to come up with everything from catchy challenges to in-depth tutorials. One standout video idea the AI came up with was for a top 10 inches style video, but with a twist. It used current events and pop culture to make it super relevant and shareable. The idea was to create a fun, fast-paced video that would appeal to a wide audience and encourage lots of engagement. The AI suggested using eye-catching visuals, snappy editing, and a dash of humor to make it go viral. The result was a video concept that was both fresh and highly engaging. Incorporating AI into your content strategy can literally transform your channel. It's about working smarter, not harder. These tools can help you generate ideas that are not only creative but also tailored to your audience's interests. So, what do you think about using AI to generate viral video ideas? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips and insights on how to grow your channel, check out my other video on leveraging trends for success. It's linked right here. As I eagerly await the AI's response, I can't help but reflect on the incredible potential here. What if this intelligent system could not only suggest ideas but understand the nuances of my target audience? I visualize brainstorming sessions where creativity flows freely, driven by data analytics rather than guesswork. The anticipation builds. There's something exhilarating about collaborating with a machine designed to enhance human creativity. Whether it's identifying emerging trends or predicting the next big thing in content, this partnership could revolutionize how I approach video creation. Just imagine the combinations. With my heart racing, I finally prompt the AI, "Alright, let's start with content that taps into current trends. What can you suggest for an engaging video idea that combines entertainment with relatability?" The words linger in the air as I feel the excitement pulse through me, eager to see what innovative concepts it can produce. Would it surprise me with something unexpected, perhaps even daring? My fingers hover over the keyboard, ready to capture each revelation as the AI begins to process the request, transforming raw data into golden content opportunities. The AI whirs to life, its virtual gears turning as it analyzes parameters and scours trends. How about a series called Relatable Rants? You could capture those everyday annoyances we all face and share humorous skits or commentaries, it suggests, a spark of enthusiasm in its synthesized voice. It's engaging because everyone can connect with the frustrations, and your unique twist will make it shareable. I nod, sensing the potential for personal anecdotes that resonate widely. The idea is vibrant, electrifying even, and I can envision clips filled with laughter and relatable moments that resonate profoundly. Building on that, I could also blend in interactive elements, I respond, my mind racing as I consider the possibilities. What if I invited my viewers to share their own relatable rants in the comments? We could then feature the best ones in a follow-up video. The AI seems to brighten at this notion as it calculates the impact of audience participation on engagement rates. That's a fantastic idea. Not only does it encourage interaction, but it also fosters community. It replies enthusiastically. You could even turn it into a monthly contest, where the most relatable rant gets a shout-out in your videos. Excitement bubbles inside me. This could truly forge a deeper connection with my audience while making content creation more collaborative. Let's take it a step further, I say, invigorated by the AI's suggestions. What if I created themed months around specific topics, inviting viewers to submit their rants on various themes, like technology fails or social media awkwardness? The AI processes this new idea, its digital mind buzzing with potential. That's brilliant. It not only keeps content fresh but provides a structured way for your audience to engage regularly. It responds. You could create promotional posts leading up to each theme, keeping your community excited and involved. The thought of a dynamic, ongoing series puts a huge smile on my face as I imagine viewers eagerly anticipating each month's theme, sharing more than just rants but moments of connection and laughter. Next, how about diving into what if scenarios, where you explore alternative endings to popular movies or shows? The AI suggests its tone upbeat. These speculative narratives can spark vivid discussions among your audience and encourage creative input on their own what-if ideas, making for a thrilling interactive experience. With the AI's suggestion energizing me, I can already envision vibrant discussions blossoming in the comments. This could evolve into a platform for creativity, where fans contribute their own versions of beloved stories. Just imagine the dialogue it would ignite across the community. This is the future of content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.